like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Instant noodle recipe time.
How's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we got something rad. This is from Nissin Singapore. They just sent me a ton of stuff. This is a collaboration with Irwin's. They make these snacky chips that are salted egg flavor. This is the Hot Boom spicy salted egg, and it says, doesn't it say like dangerously addictive on it somewhere? I think that's like what they say. Anyways, we're gonna cook this up. It's a dry variety. Big thanks to the folks over at Nissin SG. Last time I was like, do you think you could send some of these new things I see on your Instagram? And they were like, yes, we would like to do that. And they did that, and they sent a lot of that. I mean, Nissin US sent me a box, it was for National Noodle Day. Come on, get out of here. It was for National Noodle Day a couple months ago, maybe 3. It's been a while. Anyways, it had one of each of the varieties of all the Nissin products that they make and sell in the United States, which is a lot. Where's the other sachet? Is it on the other side? It sure is. This box that Nissin Singapore sent was even bigger. Okay. So I am going to drop this in for 3 minutes. Hopefully without burning myself. Ow, God. I guess not. Steam burns you. So, let's see. Yeah, this weekend was crazy, right? So Friday we went out and we went to Costco and did that whole deal. Then Saturday, we were up really late on Friday. And Saturday, we went to... My son brought home tickets for this thing. It was called a Santa breakfast, right? And it was put on by the local area Rotarians. There's a thing called the Rotary Club. It's like Rotary Club, Lions Club, stuff like that. They're all like charity groups. Well, they put on this special thing, and everybody could go have breakfast. And then you go into this other thing, and you can see Santa Claus. It was kind of, we didn't know what they were going to do, but they gave us new coats for the kids, and they could pick blankets. My daughter picked this really neat quilt, and my son picked a really cool blanket with the ties at the ends, that kind of thing. They got to pick a toy, and they got some books, and they got their faces painted, that kind of thing. So we did that, and that was rad. And then we got home, and then a little bit later we went downtown here in Kenmore, and we went to Winterfest. It's not winter yet, but we went to Winterfest, and we got to go see Santa. They got to draw on an ornament and make it, kind of their own designed ornament. And then, God, what else? There were a bunch of vendors, so they got a couple things. And there was like a school band playing Christmas songs, which was like way too loud for me. I'm like, dude, that's cool and all, but that's it's all right. Knock it off. And what else? Yeah, we did the thing there. We did the thing in the other part. We had all the vendors, and then we went back to City Hall, which had vendors. And if you like got these stamps at different places, then you could get a free beanie. So I got a free beanie. We all got free beanies, actually. And then we came home, I think. No, we went to the grocery store. Then we came home. And then Sunday was my daughter's birthday party. And so, yeah, it's just like crazy busy. And tonight we're going to go to Fred Meyer because screw the grocery store that's near here. I can't stand it. And my wife is down for going to Fred Meyer. So that place is rad. If you live in Washington, you know what I'm talking about. They got more stuff. It's nice. It's like I need eggs. I know they will have the eggs that float my boat. So here's these. And now what we do is we drain the stuffings. Wow, it's getting dark out now. Hopefully it'll stay that way. I was kind of worried that I was going to have trouble doing my imaging for my photos. Because when it gets too sunny, I got to put a block on the window, and there's no worry about that now, that's for sure. So here's the noodle. It's interesting. Pretty flat looking noodle. And now we add in this, which is salted egg powder base. Our bus driver for the kids in the morning, he's Asian. And I asked him, I don't know where he's from. Don't know. But I was like, hey, I mentioned I've got a jacket and it says the Ramen Raider on the back of it. You may have seen. And I was like, is this guy Japanese? Is he Taiwanese? Is he Singaporean? Is he formerly from Hong Kong? I don't know. I'm not going to ask him. I'm going to wait for him to give me that info. But I mentioned the new huge supermarket opening a town or two over. Whoa, that was ridiculous. And he's like, started asking me, do they have food court? I'm like, yeah, they got everything. They got like a dim sum bar and all sorts of crazy business. So this must be the spicy element. So I was like, hey, I'm getting a whole bunch of noodles from Singapore. I can give you some. So I gave him a pack of this morning. He was like, spicy. Perfect. I'm like, okay. Good deal. Guy can handle spicy. Okay, then we got this. This just says egg crumbs topping. So I think I'm going to hold off on that for the moment, and I will try that juxtaposed with this at the end. After I've plated it and taken the pretty pictures, I will, after the show's done and all that, I will go and try it. I do like salted egg quite a bit, so why are we... Sorry about that, folks. Here we are. Here's a good shot. You can see the noodle and how it is kind of flat. Anyways, cheers. Ooh, that's good. It does have a little bit of a punchy bit of heat. I don't know how much I like the heat with the salted egg flavor, but I really like the salted egg flavor. See, I like spicy, but I don't... There's certain places. There's a product that's like a spicy jajang. That's just like... It just doesn't seem like it really belongs. Some people like it. I mean, they're still making it, so. Whoa. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean it's not good. And there, I said it. Some people might like the things I don't like. That's the thing that's funny, too. I had somebody comment on a YouTube video. They're like, 1 stars. Ridiculous. I'm like, hey, you're entitled to your opinion. That's my personal opinion on this stuff. Not this, but you know what I mean. Yeah. So, if you like something that I put on my bottom 10 list, for example, there's nothing really wrong with you. Well, I'll tell you this. I'm not going to hang out with you and eat your favorite if that's your favorite. Like, there's varieties on my bottom 10 that have been around for years, and I think they're absolutely horrible. But companies don't tend to put out products that are absolutely horrible because nobody likes them. I just don't. Yummy. I think I finally just got through my first can of propellant for that. What is it, butane? Yeah. Now, logically, you would use an egg, not like this. You would have an egg that was more, well, I don't like this egg. Nothing personal about this egg. I just don't like it. 1, 2. Now it's salted egg. This isn't a salt. This is just a regular chicken egg. Salted duck egg? Oh boy, that's good stuff right there, folks. If you haven't had it, I highly recommend it. They've got it right now at Costco, actually. But it's a lot of it, and I don't think I would eat that much. And I'm pretty darn sure nobody else in my family would touch it with a 10-foot pole. Which is a bummer. It's like, come on, try the salted duck egg. Duck egg is good. Hold on. I gotta say, this is kind of nice. I mean, it's been like, I'm just using garlic salt, but I want it to kind of have that crystally egginess. You're not doing it right, Ramen Raider guy. Who do you think you are? I know. But if you like spicy and you like salted egg, this is up your alley. Oh, wait. There. We have our last sachet to contend with. And this is our egg crumb topping. I'm gonna add some over here. Whoa. Okay. I'll give it a pinch. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I will try this afterwards. After we're done with our little hangout here and I've taken my pictures. Because that... the button on this thing. No bueno. been fun. I haven't done this in like a little while, so I'm kind of excited. I'm back. I'm gonna try to. I just want to get that enormous box out of my way, man, because there's like a lot of stuff. It takes up a lot of room. That's what happens when you're me and you like to do the noodle thing. So, yeah. All right. Well, anyways, yeah, if you're in Singapore, try out these Nissin Irwin's collabs. They're pretty spot on. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.